It's a drive Chrissy Reifschneider used to do on a regular basis near her home in Huntsville, Alabama.
See these little gas stations right here? Like the mom and pops. These are the places they would sell them.
Buying over-the-counter products dubbed gas station heroin, sometimes labeled as a dietary supplement and containing the synthetic drug tianeptine.
This is where I would come every day and come by 2 to 3 bottles a day.
At the height of her addiction, spending around $150 a day on the brand Tiana Reds that she says would give her energy, constantly using the pills to avoid withdrawals.
It's a dangerous drug. Just because it's legal and over the counters, I compare it to fentanyl and heroin.
So when they say gas station heroin, that's an accurate description?
It's an accurate description insofar that they're hitting similar receptors. It really acts a lot like an opioid.
Dr. William Rushton, a medical toxicologist and director of Alabama's Poison Information Center, says he and his colleagues began to sound the alarm in 2019 as calls from emergency room doctors began to pour in. Patients were being admitted to ICUs with concerning symptoms, some in the throes of a dangerous withdrawal.
It's not just when you take it, but it's when you stop taking it, becoming sort of very ill, very agitated, potentially having seizures.
The drug is legal in parts of Europe, prescribed as an antidepressant, but it's not approved in the U.S. for medical use. Alabama passed legislation in 2021 banning tianeptine, followed by several neighboring southern states. But despite the crackdown, the problem is growing.
We absolutely know now it's spreading throughout the rest of the country, and we're seeing it in the Northeast United States.
Nationwide, America's poison centers have seen a steady increase in calls. The Food and Drug Administration issuing warnings as recently as this year, focusing on the brand Neptune's Fix Elixir, linking it to adverse event reports of seizures, loss of consciousness, and death. Calling on retailers to stop selling the product and announcing that the maker has agreed to a voluntary recall. The company stating in a recall announcement, distribution channels have not reported any adverse events from the use of its products. NBC News reached out to the makers of Tiana Reds, Pegasus, Zaza, and Neptune's Fix for comment, but did not hear back. The FDA doesn't have the authority to approve dietary supplements for safety, but is now under pressure from a handful of bipartisan lawmakers, sending a letter to the agency in January stating the urgent need for FDA action on tianeptine cannot be overstated.
We need to empower the FDA to have sort of more regulation over a lot of these supplements out there so that we don't have to play defensive. We know we can play more offensive.
Reifschneider has now taken to social media warning others.
These things are the devil's candy.
Saying her withdrawal even led to thoughts of suicide.
Something switched in my brain, like this is how you need to end your life. This is it.
Sharing these pictures of herself during what she says were her darkest times.
Describe the person that you see when you look back at those photos.
Death. I don't even know who she is. It's scary.
Now, almost 4 years sober and newly married, she's focused not only on her recovery, but sharing her story to help others.
I honestly never thought I would even be here. Everybody has a story, and I know you might not think something, could help someone, but one little thing can change someone's life.
Oh, we are so glad Chrissy shared her story with you, Valerie. So some states have actually banned this product, but it is widely available in other states. What do people need to know before they ever try it? And can you wean yourself off of it, or do you need medical intervention?
So from what doctors say, the withdrawal is really where it gets to be the most dangerous part. People having seizures, people stop breathing. And so that's when they end up in the ICU. New Jersey is a good example. It has not been banned in New Jersey. In a 6-month period from June to January, they got 26 calls to poison control from hospitals that had gotten patients had taken the substance that had gotten sick. More than half said they reported taking Neptune's Fix, that brand that is now on a voluntary recall, and more than half ended up in the ICU. So the FDA is warning everyone to stay away from any form of tianeptine.
Okay.
It was interesting hearing the doctor say we have to play offense, not defense. What should everyone know before buying any energy drinks?
So the FDA has several guidelines that apply to supplements like vitamins. First and foremost, talk to your doctor, talk to your healthcare professional, and see if this is something that you even need to take. And then if you do, follow the guidelines for taking this. Don't deviate from the directions. And if something says that it's natural on the bottle, that doesn't necessarily mean that it is safe. And if something has claims that sound too good to be true, like it cures cancer or treats some disease, you should probably stay away.
Really important. NBC News correspondent Valerie Castro. And remember, if you or someone you know is struggling, there is help. Text 988.
Thanks for watching. Stay updated about breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or follow us on social media.